All right, folks. So 3 contestants as usual. We do this most Fridays, and they get a minute each. Are we taking any calls, Clive? But our judge here will decide up front, and then if we're taking calls, you could decide also. Militancy is the first. Yeah. All right, militancy.
3.
3 for militancy. Next contestant is Rupidi.
Oh yes. Life is not good or bad, happy or sad, it's just life. Don't let it get you down or lose your crown, it's life. Filled with hills and valleys, rough and smooth, it's life. Woo! Life is a phenomenon. Know this and you can't go wrong. Take the weak times with the strong. It's too short to be sad. You gotta know what you want for yourself. Believe it and you gotta claim it. Yeah. It may not come when you want it, but don't you dare sweat it. Just smile and stick to it. Oh. You gotta run life like a jockey or a surfer on a wave, yeah. Don't ever let it crush you. It's your choice.
All right, Rupidi.
3.
And the final contestant is Natural Image.
Yeah, man. Yo, TVJ. Morning Smile Jamaica. Yo, Nika. Them finna say
Watcha style, yeah.
You see this one, yeah? Is a anthem.
Yeah.
I don't know it go.
Smile Jamaica.
Watcha style,
Hey. See the road that we take on. Man a real hustler from me born. Money man a miss, money man a hunt for. Money man a bring me family in need star. Hey, you see the road that we take on. Man a real hustler from me born. Money man a miss, money man a hunt for. Money man a bring me family in need star. Me a look it, fi go cook it. Nah sit no one with them things and take it. Music me go study, come me know me have to make it every day inna the street. A link man a set it, man tired of poverty. So me like me rearrange it, now me career take off and gone like a spaceship. Enough of them swallow them words, rest of me could make it.
All right, Natural Image.
Like his energy, I'm going to give him a 3.5.
3.5.
Your floor is...
All right, so you could give us a call. 733-246-126 are the numbers, and you could decide who will take us out. According to our judge here, Natural Image, just a little bit ahead. Soon come.